Namaste to all. Welcome to my channel MA Tuitions. I'm Rita. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell button, then only you will get the notifications on time. The last class we were discussing exercise 3.3, how to solve the pair of linear equations using substitution method. It was very easy, isn't it? So today also we are continuing with the same exercise. So here is your second question. Solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to negative 24 and hence find the value of m for which y equal to mx plus 3. So here three equations you can see, isn't it? So the first equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and the second one is 2x minus 4y equal to negative 24. You have to find out the solutions for these two lines. So you will get the values for x and y. After finding out the values of x and y, you have to substitute the values of x and y in this third equation and hence you have to find out the value of m. That we are going to do. Okay. So here also we are doing in the substitution method. So our first equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 11. This is my first equation. And the second equation I am 2x minus 4y equal to negative 25. I am changing this into 2x equal. This negative 4y can be taken into that side, then it will be positive. Then you can write 4y and this minus 24 can be written here. What about x? X is equal to 4y minus 24 by 2. So 4 by 2 is 2, 2y minus 24 by 4 by 12, 2 is 12, 24 by 2 is 12. So we can write x is equal to 2y minus 12. This is my second equation. Okay. So now we can substitute 2 in 1. 2 in 1. So you will get 2 into, instead of this x I am using 2y minus 12. So we can write 2y minus 12 here plus 3y equal to 11. Now just multiply. 2 into 2 is 4y. 2 into 12 is minus 24 plus 3y equal to 11. 4 plus 3 is 7y minus 24 equal to 11. Hence you can find out 7y as 11 plus 24 you will get 35. Isn't it? So y equal to 35 by 7 which is equal 5. So what is the value of y? Y is 5. Now we can find out x. You can put the value of y equal to 5 in which equation? The second equation itself. So you will get x as 2 into y is 5 minus 12. So 10 minus 12 and you will get negative 2. X is equal to negative 2. Okay. So you got the values of x and y such as x is equal to negative 2 and y equal to 5. After that what you want to do? We want to substitute these two values in the third equation y equal to mx plus 3. So we can write y equal to mx plus 3. This as third equation. Put x equal to negative 2 and y equal to 5 in which equation? Third one. So we are going to find out the value of m. That means here we can write according to this one. You can substitute the y as 5. So 5 equal to m into x as negative 2 plus 3. So you will get 5 equal to negative 2m plus 3. You can take this 3 into this side. So you will get 5 minus 3 equal to negative 2m. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 equal to negative 2m. And what about m? M can be written as 2 by negative 2. So we can write m equal to negative 1. So this is your answer. You have find out this minus 2 and y equal to 5 as the solutions for the first two linear equations. And hence you find out the value for m by substituting these values in the third equation. Okay. Third question. In the third question there are 6 sub-questions. Some situations are given. From that you have to form the equations according to that, and after that you want to find out the solution. Okay. So you have to write the equation algebraically first. Then only you can find out the solution. So here is your first question. The difference between two numbers is 26. So you have given two numbers. Let the numbers be x and y. Let the numbers be x and y. And this difference between these two numbers, difference means x minus y, is 26. So this is your first equation. And one number is 3 times the other and one number is 3 times the other. Which means the x is equal to 3y. Okay, here x is the larger number, the difference of x and y is 26 and the larger number is 3 times the smaller number. This is your second equation. By using substitution method, you can find out x and y. So you can substitute 2 in 1. Okay, 2 in 1. So here instead of x we are using 3y. 3y minus y equal to 26 or 3y minus y is 2y. 2y equal to 26 and what about y? Y equal to 26 by 2 which is 13. So you have got y as 13. Then what about x? X is equal to 3y. So you can write 3 into y is 13. So it will be 39. So your answers are x is equal to 39 and y equal to 13. So your numbers are 39 and 13. Second question. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18. The larger of the two supplementary angles exceeds smaller by 18 degree. So you had given two angles, okay, and that two angles are supplementary. What is meant by supplementary? Supplementary angles means the sum of that two angles will be 180 degree that you have studied in your earlier class, okay. So supplementary angles means the sum of that two angles will be 180 degree. And if the larger angle is x, if larger angle is x degree, and smaller angle as y degree. Smaller angle as y degree. Larger is x degree and the smaller is y degree. What is the difference? The larger of the two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18. That means the larger angle will be 18 degree more than the smaller one. The larger will be 18 degree more than the smaller one. So we can write x is equal to y plus 18. Okay, so this is your first equation. And we know that since these two angles are supplementary, the sum of that two angles, that means x plus y equal to 180 degree. So these two are your equations. Now you can solve using substitution method. What do you want to do? Substitute the first equation in the second one. Then you will get, instead of this x, we are using y plus 18. Y plus 18 plus y equal to 180 degree. So y plus y is 2y. 2y equal to 180. This 18 can be taken into that side. So you can minus here, subtract 18. So 2y can be written as 162. Okay. So y will be 162 by 2 which is equal to 81 degree. So you got y as 81 degree. Now we can put this value. Put y equal to 81 degree in first equation. Then you will get x is equal to y plus 18. Which means 81 plus 18 which is equal to 99 degree. So your two angles x is equal to 99 degree and y equal to 81 degree. Okay. Third question. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. Okay. 7 bats and 6 balls for 3,800 and 3 bats and 5 balls for 1,750. So from these two conditions we can make the linear equation and we can find out the values for the variables or the cost of one ball and one bat. Okay. So we can take let the cost of one bat as x and ball as y. Okay, cost of one ball is y. So we can make the equation cost of 7 bats means 7x and cost of 6 balls means 6y equal to 3,800. So this is your first equation. And then 3 bats and 5 balls. 3 bats means x rupees and 5 balls means 5 into y equal to 1,750. We can change this into as 3x equal to 1,750 minus 5y. So x can be written as 1750 minus 5y by 3. So this is your second equation. Now we can substitute this in first equation. Okay. Substitute 2 in 1. So you will get 7 into x is 1750 minus 5y by 3 plus 6y. 6y equal to 3,800. Okay. Now we can make the calculation. 7 into 1750. 0, 7 to 5 is 35, 3, 7 to 7, 49 plus 3, 52, 5, 1 to 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 1, 2, 2, 5, 0, minus 35y by 3 plus 6y equal to 3800. Now we can make the denominator same by cross multiplying this 3. So you will get 12,250 minus 35 plus 18y equal to this 3 can be taken to that side. Then you will get 3800 into 3. Okay. So 12,250. This will be 17y. So here it is negative since the larger number has the sign negative. So we can take negative 17y. 17y equal to 0, 0, 24 to 11,400. Now we can take this 17y to that side and the 11,400 to this side. So you will get 12,250 minus 11,400 equal to 17y. Just subtract, you will get 0, 5, 12 minus 4 is 8. So 850, which is equal to 17y. 850 is equal to 17y. And you will get y is equal to 850 by 17, which is equal to 17 into 5 is 5 into 7 is 35. 1 into 5 is 3 3rd 85. And you can take or you will get y as 50. Okay, so your answer is 50. Now we can find out x by substituting this y in the second equation. So put y equal to 15 in second equation. So x is equal to 1750 minus 5 into 50 by 3. 1750 minus 250 equal to 3, which is equal to 1500 by 3, which is 500. So you got x as 500 and y as 50. That means cost of a ball is 50 rupees and cost of a bat is 500 rupees. So here is your answer. So fourth question, the taxi charges in a city consists of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is rupees 105 and for journey of 15 km, charge paid is rupees 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? That is our question. Okay, so in our day-to-day life, we are using sometimes auto taxi and taxi cars, isn't it? So when we are taking this into some distance, when we are going to travel in this taxis, we have to give some amount. According to that, a fixed charge will be there, isn't it? A fixed charge will be there, and some more money we want to give for the additional distance, isn't it? If you are traveling 20 kilometers in a taxi, just imagine if you are traveling 20 kilometers in a taxi. If for every 10 kilometer, the minimum charge is 100 rupees for a taxi, and additional for this 10 kilometers, some other amount we have to give, isn't it? Only not the 100 rupees, we have to give some more amount, isn't it? Just like that here also explained. Okay, so we can move on to the problem by taking the fixed charge and the charge to the additional distance covered. Okay, so we can take the fixed charge as x, and additional charge per kilometer is y. That means for every 10 kilometer or for every 5 kilometer or the fixed distance, you have to pay this x rupees, and for the additional each kilometers you want to pay y rupees also, and the total charge will be x plus y. Okay, just like that I have written here. So in this case we can take it is given that for every 10 kilometers, for the distance of 10 kilometers, he paid rupees 105. So the fixed charge is x, And for the other 10 kilometers, he want to pay 10 into y rupees. So the total charge will be x plus 10y, which is equal to 105. So this is your first equation. And one more condition is given that the charge paid for the 15 kilometers, the fixed charge is x, and for the 15 kilometers you want to pay 15y, and you have to pay 155 rupees. This is your second equation. Now we are using substitution method, so we can change this into x is equal to 155 minus 15y. So I am taking this as 2. And substitute this 2 in the first equation. So you will get x, instead of x I am writing 155 minus 15y plus 10y equal to 105, isn't it? 155 minus 15y plus 10y equal to 105. Here 155 minus 15y plus 10y is minus 5y. Subtract the larger, smaller from the larger, and take the or put the sign of the larger one. So 15 minus 10 is 5, and the larger has the negative sign, so I put negative here. This is 105. So I am taking this negative 5y into that side. Okay, so you will get 155 minus 105 equal to 5y, isn't it? So this is 50. 50 equal to 5y means y equal to 50 by 5, which is 10. So for every 1 kilometer you want to pay additional 10 rupees. So then what about the fixed charge? Fixed charges, put y equal to 10 in which equation? Second equation. So here x is equal to 155 minus 15 into y is 15 into 10. So you will get 155 minus 150, so you will get 5 rupees. Okay. So the fixed charge is 5 rupees and the additional amount is 10 rupees per kilometer. So now what we want to do? We want to find out the total expense for the 25 kilometer of distance. So you want to give a money with the fixed rupees and the 25 kilometers additional rupees 10, 25 into y. This we want to find out the fixed charge and the money you have to given for the next 25 kilometers. So here x is 5 and what about y, which is 10, 25 into 10. So you can write 25 plus 250. So the additional amount he want to give us 255 rupees. Okay. Fifth question, a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator, and if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. So you had given a fraction. You have to find out a fraction. What are the conditions given? If you are adding numerator, if you are adding 2 to the numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 9 by 11. And if you are adding 3 to the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. So you have to find out the fraction. So I am taking the fractions numerator and denominator x and y. So I am taking numerator as x. Okay, numerator of the fraction as x and denominator as y. Okay, as y. So now we can write the fraction as x by y, isn't it? So this is our fraction. And we want to find out this x and y and substitute here, you will get the fraction. So if you are adding 2 to both the numerator and denominator, what does it mean? You want to add here and here also. X plus 2 and y by 2, it will become 9 by 11. Okay. Now cross multiply 11 into x plus 2 equal to 9 into y plus 2. So you will get 11x plus 22. 11 into 2 is 22. 9 into y is 9y plus 9 into 2 is 18. So 11x minus 9y, isn't it? Equal to 18, this 22 will be negative 22. 11x minus 9y equal to negative 4. This is your first equation. Then the next given is that your fraction is x by y, and if you are adding 3 both to the numerator and denominator, I am adding 3 both to the numerator and denominator, your fraction will be 5 by 6. So cross multiply 6 into x plus 3 equal 5 into y plus 3. So 6 into x is 6x plus 6 into 3 is 18. 5 into y is 5y plus 5 into 3 is 15. Now we can take this 18 to that side, 5y plus 15 minus 18. So you will get 6x equal to 5y 18 minus 15 is 3 and the sign of the larger one is negative. And you have to take this x to that side. Then only we can substitute the value of x in the first equation. X is equal to 5y minus 3 by 6. This is your second equation. Now substitute the value of x is equal to 5y minus 3 by 6 in equation 1. So you can write 11 into x is 5y minus 3 by 6, isn't it? Minus 9y equal to negative 4. Okay, just multiply with 11. 11 into 5 is 55y. Minus 11 into 3 is 33. By 6 minus 9y equal to negative 4. Cross multiply with this 6. 55y minus 33 minus 9 to 6 is 54y. And this 6 will go to that side, then it will be negative 24. 6 into 4 is 24. 55y minus 54y is 1y. That means y. Y equal to this negative 24 is there. I am taking this negative 33 to that side. It will become plus 33. And you will get y as 9. 33 minus 24 is 9. Now put this y equal to 9 in which equation? Second equation. So you will get x is equal to 5 into 9 minus 3 by 6. 9 to 5 is 45 minus 3 by 6. 45 minus 3 is 42. 42 by 6 is 7. So your answer is 7. So you got x as 7 and y as 9. So your fraction is 7 by 9. Okay. The last question of that exercise. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? Okay, this is a problem related to the age of a man and his son, isn't it? So, what is meant by the first situation? 5 years hence. What is meant by hence? 5 years hence. That means after 5 years. It's a future tense. Okay. After 5 years, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Okay. Now we have to take the present ages. First you want to take out the present age of Jacob as x. Okay. And the present age of his son as y. Then only you can make the situation into algebra. So if the current age of or the present age of Jacob is x, after 5 years, 5 years hence means after 5 years. After 5 years, age of Jacob will be x plus 5, isn't it? Age of Jacob will be 5 more than the current age. And the age of son will be 5 more than y, isn't it? Y plus 5. So, after 5 years, their ages will be 5 more than current age, isn't it? So, x plus 5 and y plus 5. And some relation is there between these two. What is the relation? Jacob will be 3 times that of his son's age. 3 times that of his son's age means it will be 3 into y plus y. Okay. So, the current age is y of his son and the current age of Jacob is x. After 5 years, Jacob's age will be x plus 5 and after 5 years, the age of that son will be y plus 5. And the relation between these two is his age will be 3 times more than the age of son at that time. Okay, so at that time his age is y plus 5 and 3 times more than means 3 into y plus 5. 3 times means 3 into, 2 times means 2 into that number. Okay, so you can write x plus 5 equal to 3 into y plus 5. Rearrange this. X plus 5 equal to 3 into y is 3y and 3 into 5 is 15. So x equal to, we can write 3y plus 15. This y can be taken to that side. Then you will get x equal to 3y. 15 minus 5 is 10. So this is your first equation. And the next condition is 5 years ago. 5 years ago means before 5 years. Okay. So there before 5 years ago, you can write both the ages will be 5 less than the current age, or the age will be x minus 5 and y minus 5. So their age will be, they are younger than now, isn't it? 5 years younger than now, isn't it? So we can take their ages as x minus 5 and y minus 5. And there is also a relation between these two, that the Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. His age was 7 times, that means 7 into y plus y minus 5. Okay. Here also you have to rearrange x minus 5 equal to 7 into y is 7y. 7 into 5 is 35. Now I can take the 7y to this side. X minus 7y equal to negative 35 is there. Negative 5 will be plus 5. And you will get x minus 7y equal to negative 30. This is your second equation. X minus 7y equal to negative 30. Now substitute the 1 in 2. Substitute 1 in 2. So you will get, instead of this x, I am using 3y plus 10. 3y plus 10 minus 7y equal to negative 30. Here I am using 3y plus 10, then minus 7y equal to negative 30. 3y minus 7y is 10 minus 4y equal to negative 30. Minus 4y equal to, here negative 30 is there. 10 can be taken to that side, it will be minus 10. And this is negative 40. So, negative 4y is negative 40. Y equal to negative 40 by 4. Negative 4, which is 10. So, you got y as 10. Now, put the value of y equal to 10. Put y equal to 10 in which equation? In your, this equation, first equation, 1. So, I am getting x as 3 into 10 plus 10. So, you will get 30 plus 10, which is equal to 40. So, we have taken like that. The Jacob's current age or present age is x and the present age of son is y. So, the present age of Jacob is 40 and the present age of his son is 10. Okay. So, we have completed our exercise 3.3. That's all about the substitution method. It was very simple. Keep watching my channel. If you have any doubts, as always, please make it on my comment box. Thank you so much for watching.